If you're looking for a really nice Christmas book, you definitely want to check out Christmas at Harrington's. This is by Melody Carlson. So it's really nice. I really like the cover. It's very nice, very Christmassy, and I really like the red coat that Lena wears. Lena is the main character. Her name is Lena Markham, and then she's trying to find like a job because she's doesn't have any money and all of that. And then she finds this red coat, and then the red coat ends up landing her a job as Mrs. Santa at a department store, and it's a really nice story. Like she talks about, she hides like her past and what she went through. You find more about that find more about that in the later of the book. So and it's not a very long book. It's just very nice. You can get through it. I mean, fairly quickly because it's fiction, so you really get into the story. You want to know what happens next, and like I said, it's a short book, maybe a couple of hours or something to read this. So super nice. And it also has a nice redemptive story at the end. So I really, really like that about this book. Because myself being a Christian, if you're not a Christian, that's okay. But if you are, you'll really like how it ends in the how it ends up and how it all ties itself back to God and all that. It's really, really nice. So definitely check it out. Very nice book, especially if you're a lady or a girl and you might want to relate to the character, or you might feel more into it. So it's really nice. I read it myself, I'm a guy, but I really enjoyed it. So hope you do.